I am going to discuss here self induction. So, what is self induction? Let's see through the circuit in this. This is a coil, okay, and this coil is connected with a battery like this. This is positive end, so direction of current will be this. Okay, in starting, let the switch is open. Okay, when the switch open, what happened? That no current will be flow through it. Okay, now we just close the switch. Okay, when we close the switch, what happened? The current will increase from 0 to some value. When the current flows through it, then the magnetic field will produced. If this is a coil and current is passing through it, okay, so what happened? In this, there will be a magnetic flux linked with it, like this, that will pass through it. Okay, magnetic field pass through it, that is called magnetic flux. So when current is here, then there is some magnetic flux. Now what happens when we just close the switch? Current will increase, and current will increase, then magnetic flux passing through these coils, that will also increase. When magnetic flux increase, then the current will induced to decrease the magnetic flux. Okay, so induced current always oppose any change. So direction of induced current will be just opposite to the direction of current. Similarly, in this case, suppose in starting the switch is closed, so maximum current is flowing through battery. Okay, through this, then flux is maximum in this. Now when the switch suddenly open, then what happens? Current becomes from maximum to 0. When it becomes maximum to 0, that means it is decreasing. When the current is decreasing, this current is decreasing, then what happen? Magnetic flux passing through these coils, that will also decrease, and when that will decrease, then induced current will be induced in such a way that it support this current, so that magnetic flux can increase. So it try to increase the magnetic flux. Okay, so the direction of induced current will be this. So the phenomena of production of induced EMF in a coil when current is changing through the coil, okay, is called self induction. Okay, the phenomena of inducing current, inducing EMF in a coil when current changes across it is called self induction, and this is called the EMF induced, that is called back EMF also. Okay, or back EMF or self induced EMF, and the phenomena is called self induction. Now in this, let's find coefficient of self induction. So at any instant, if current is I, current is I, then magnetic flux linked with it, with a coil, it means coil phi proportional to I. Current is more, magnetic flux will be more. Current is less, magnetic flux will be less. So we can write this phi equal to L into I, where L is a constant and known as coefficient of self inductance. Okay, so when there is a change in magnetic flux, then what happen? EMF will be set up. EMF we know E equal to minus d phi upon dt. Phi is how much? Li. So minus d by dt of Li, or minus L di upon dt. This is E. So we get a formula here, that is E equal to minus L di upon dt. So self-inductance of a coil numerically equal to the EMF, magnetic flux linked with the coil when a unit current flows through it. First definition we can give from here, and second definition we can give from this, that self-inductance of a coil may be defined as the induced EMF set up in the coil due to a unit rate of change of current through it. SI unit of self-inductance, so unit is Henry. This is SI unit. किसकी? L, self-inductance, Henry, and written by H.